One of the things that perhaps that I would like to share is the fact that what it takes to make something happen. And I think for me, the most striking thing is that once we realized that there were 7 million deaths at the end of 2014, when we put all the data together, we saw there was all these deaths and what is that we were going to do? We thought that we were just going to knock at the door of the Director General of WHO, and she was going to say, yeah, no, here it is, here, let's start moving, right? That was her first reaction, but then she thought through it. She said, oh no, we have to consult our countries, and we have to. So the only reason why we managed to move ahead and create a resolution, a roadmap, is that there were a few countries and a few people, and actually it boils down to a few individuals, who were really committed and interested and understood and got and decided to move ahead. So that ingredient of having a few people who are convinced and who can get together to try to articulate and strategize and get the move to get things to work is essential. That's the case that led to the resolution in 2015, the pollution and health, into the roadmap the following year. How is that we're going to enhance the global action against air pollution and the prevention of those related diseases. In fact, it's very similar to the experience that we have 20 years ago with transportation and health and environment, when there wasn't anything in the map, and then suddenly one starts articulating. In that case, it was not the evidence, the numbers, it was more the articulation of that there was an opportunity there that hasn't been used or being built upon from the political point of view. And then there was a few countries who realized, in Austria, Denmark, and they decided to come together and put some money on the table and to decide to move. And that led to the PEP, led to a number of developments. And I think it led to, in fact, people today understanding very naturally that healthy transport is cycling, walking, and public transport. When in 1996, when we started, it was a laugh. We were laughing stock saying that cycling and walking was. So I think individuals, passion, and good science, good evidence, but it's not only the science, it's also individuals. And I think that's what makes the chemistry of moving things and creating change.